Hello, today we are going to continue on our previous lessons about camera projections and do a little set extension like this. So we are going to build this outdoor scene around this cardboard box. So let's jump into Nuke and have a look. Okay, so the basic scene here is first of all the box that we worked on before, and also two plates, one of the wall and one of the ground. And also we have the projection set up that we used earlier. So what I'm going to do now is to project these two images onto this scene. So let's begin. So we need a project 3D node. So let's type tab and project 3D. And then I already prepared the projection camera, so we don't have to tweak this during this lesson. So you can see here in the viewport the two cameras that I'm using. These two are used for the projection. So let's look at the first camera that you can see here in green. And this we are going to use to project this image onto the card. So now we have the wall on the card at the far end. And the next step here is to look at what we have. So now we have the far wall and we don't have the floor yet. So let's continue setting up the floor. So this is the scene, and now we're going to add another projection. So press tab and type project 3D. And then we are going to use this other camera that you can see in green here and project the floor image onto the floor. So I will connect this camera to this floor image, and this is now projected onto the floor card. And if you look at this result, then this is what we have. You can see that the projection is not covering the complete floor because we don't have enough coverage, but this is enough to show the principle. And you may also wonder why we can see the box here, and that is because in this scene the box is set to have a fill mat material. So let's redo this. I will remove the fill mat and then look at what we had without it. So now it is just one more. Okay, so if I now remove the box, then we have the wall and the floor, and then I will add back the box without a material, and then it will just render black. And if I add a fill mat, this will become a holdout mat. So press tab and type fill mat and connect this to the box, and then it will make a holdout so we can see the original plate. And I also did a little more on this, adding this displacement as well as a shadow. So maybe I will go through the other steps in a future video. So I hope this was helpful, and see you next time. Over and out.